Ofada rice, and these are packs of Ofada rice. This is how we buy it here in African markets. So these are the 3 Ofada rice. I will be making one out of these 3. So this is the Ofada rice, and this is how it looks. So now, how I prepare my Ofada rice. First, I put my pot on the fire and I will open it up. Use scissors to cut off the. Then these are the Ofada rice. You just add them direct to the pot to boil for at least 5 minutes before I will wash this Ofada rice. You can see how it looks. This is Ofada rice, and right now I will add enough water to it. You can see like this. So this is how I prepare my Ofada rice, and after boiling for 5 to 10 minutes, I will wash it very well and take out. There are a lot of stones inside. I will select everything and take out the stone and reboil it for another 30 minutes. So wash out and see how I cook my Ofada rice. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. The rice is ready. It's time to wash the rice. You can see. So right now I'm gonna go wash the rice. So these are the rice. It's ready. It's ready to wash. You wash the rice. Wash it clean. So these are the Ofada. It's already washed. So right now I am going to start the cooking. Pot is on the fire. Now you're just going to start adding the Ofada rice after washing. So these are the Ofada rice. So you're just going to add water to this Ofada rice to cook it. It takes time to cook, like 30 to 40 minutes to be very well cooked. Cover it up with water. If you want, you can add salt. I don't add salt to my rice, so I'm just going to cook it this way. So later I will show you how everything goes. This is one of the most healthy and delicious rice. So the rice is cooked. You can see. This is the rice, Ofada rice. It's very well cooked now, so it's time to serve it. It's time to serve it. So this is the rice. This is the Ofada rice already cooked. And right now we're going to be serving it with our fish sauce. This is the fish sauce I made yesterday. So we're going to be serving it with this very rice. So this is the sauce. I'm going to be serving it now. These are the sauce. This is the fish sauce. You can see how. So I told you yesterday you can use this fish sauce to eat any food of your choice. So now you can just add this fish to this very Ofada rice and eat. It's very delicious. You can see how chalky the rice and fish sauce is. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.